Hey everybody, welcome back to She Stacks. It looks like Wednesday. It's an unboxing. So I heard the craziest news and I could not verify it whatsoever, but a lot of people are talking about the Shanghai paper exchange for silver, gold, whatever precious metals. They're saying that on July 24th, they are going to stop trading paper, silver, and gold. But I couldn't verify this. I don't know what it's going to be like in America for us stackers, but it sounds like a pretty big deal overseas. And what I was able to verify was that the Shanghai exchange is going to stop retail sales or limit them at the very least. So we will see on the 24th to see what this is all about, because I've heard this before for July 4th and it didn't happen. Here we go, guys. This is from Liberty Coin on eBay. And if you've been with me for a little while, you probably already know what's in that package. Let's open it. All right, we have one tube, two tubes, and we have 4 extras to meet the California threshold. So let's open these first. It's crazy, you can save so much money just by adding a few extra things in the order. We'll go through these and then I'm going to go through those tubes, and I will be back with you guys if I find any key dates. $1900 1896 O, 1886 O, 1900 New Orleans, 1900 New Orleans, 1886 New Orleans. Well guys, we went through 2 tubes and 4 extras, and I will show the key dates and what I found on the screen right now. And once again guys, this came from Liberty Coin on eBay. It's my go-to place to order Morgan dollars. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think we need to be more aware of like what's happening in our country than in Shanghai, China. And we will see what the Federal Reserve says. We will just see what happens. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe and share with somebody who likes real money. Morgan and Peace dollars. And I'll see you guys on Friday with a new video. Bye guys.